Today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own box shelf, which is a small wall shelf which is perfect for putting up anywhere in your house really. It's just a very simple basic square design. It's as you can see, it's 4 pieces of wood screwed together, sanded and stained, and this is designed to be screwed up on the wall. Keep watching and very soon you'll have your very own box shelf. So these are our most commonly used materials. We use all the different sizes of the 2-inch thick wood. It's all pine wood that we use. You can use hardwood, but they are a little bit more expensive. Metre for metre, it's really cheap compared to some of the other lengths of wood, even the other pine wood. For this project, all the materials you're going to need is 6x2. This is the basic toolkit you're going to need to help you achieve your project. The tools you're going to need are a drill. When we're drilling, we use a 6mm wood drill bit. This is the perfect size for drilling holes for the 5mm thick screws that we use. Impact drive for screwing. When we're screwing, we're using a posi drive 2 bit in the screwdriver. Impact driver isn't essential. You can simply use a normal drill and put the screw bit in the drill like so. Tri-square for getting all your lines perfect 90 degrees. A countersink bit to get your drill holes a little bit neater. The countersink bits we use are these ones, as you can see here. We bought these from Amazon, very cheap. I think it was about £10–11 for a pack of 4. You get different sizes through. This is one of the medium sizes. You get a huge one for bigger screw heads, and you get a smaller one for smaller screw heads. These provide a really nice smooth finish. We take measure for measuring the wood and marking out all the drill holes. Pencil for marking out. Mitre saw. It's not essential, but it is perfect for cutting lengths of wood really quickly. It also helps you to get perfect 90-degree cuts. A paintbrush. The sort of paintbrushes we use are semi-synthetic. So they use some natural strands as well as some synthetic man-made strands. This allows for a nice even spread of the wood stains that you're using. An orbital sander. That's great for very quickly sanding down all of the wood. It's much quicker and a much better quality than doing it all by hand. With the orbital sander, you will need to have extra sanding pads to go with it for your project. You can get them very cheaply from a tool station. I think they're about £2–3 for a pack of 10, so they'll last you a little while. By using some of these tools, you are going to get a high quality finish. Tools like the mitre saw allow you to have really nice clean cuts. The orbital sander allows you to sand to a really nice smooth finish. Tri-square allows you to mark out all of your lines so they're perfectly 90 degrees from the edge of the wood. So the tools you're going to need are drill, impact driver, tri-square, tape measure, pencil, countersink, paintbrush, orbital sander and a mitre saw. Not all of these tools are essential, but they are going to make your project much easier and quicker to build.